A yoga application tailored for beginners at home is a comprehensive tool that facilitates the introduction of yoga practice in a convenient and accessible manner. These apps are designed with an intuitive interface, making it easy for newcomers to navigate through various features without feeling overwhelmed. Typically, the app offers a wide range of guided video tutorials that demonstrate foundational yoga poses and sequences. Each video often includes clear instructions and modifications to cater to different body types and flexibility levels, ensuring that users can find the appropriate level of challenge. Educational resources are another valuable aspect, often covering topics like the philosophy of yoga, the importance of mindfulness, and breathing techniques that enhance overall well-being. Some apps even offer community features, allowing users to connect with others on the same journey, share experiences, and motivate one another. Overall, this type of application serves as an excellent introduction to yoga, promoting physical fitness, mental clarity, and emotional balance, all from the comfort of home.